Samsung Galaxy Trifold mobile, not like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, which has two screens. The Trifold mobile has three screens. We'll talk about this mobile in this video. So let's start with the display. When it is like a normal mobile and when it is in folded situation, it is a 6.5 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz refresh rate HDR display, protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 2. Victus 2. When it is in unfolded situation, basically it has three screens, right? Those combinedly have a 10-inch big display, and it is also dynamic AMOLED 2x display, and it is a LTPO display which supports HDR, and also it supports 120Hz refresh rate like the primary display, which was also protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass ceramic 2 basically. So apart from the display, it also has a the processor. This comes with a processor that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, not the 8 Elite Gen 5. Till the news now that this might come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, the 3nm based previous gen flagship chip. So yeah, it also comes in two variants. Mostly those are 16GB RAM, 512GB internal storage, and 16GB RAM 1TB internal storage variants. Now these are going to be UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, like this is a complete metal and glass build mobile, and this mobile comes with triple cameras at the rear side. Basically it has a single rear even though it has a triple front ends. So this comes with a 200 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and 10 megapixels of telephoto and 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle selfie camera. So we can shoot up to 8K 30fps with this mobile's back camera, and this mobile will have two front facing selfie cameras, right? When it is in a 6.5 inch mode, that means it is in a normal screen mode, it will have a 10 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera. But when it is in unfolded situation, to fix more the room, it has a 10 megapixels of same ultra wide angle lens at there. So we can shoot to 4K 60fps with this mobile's back front facing selfie cameras in the both selfie cameras. So this mobile is also going to comes with a kind of bigger battery to support this much bigger display. That is a 5400 milliamp of battery, the lithium carbide battery, the latest technology battery, and it is going to support 45 watts of typical Samsung's wide charge, and 15 watts of wireless, and 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. So this mobile was revealed recently, and it is going to come to the sale very soon by the end of the December might be. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, like this mobile comes with a ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and no 3.5mm jack obviously, and also this mobile will also going to have a very sleek display, sleek design. And this mobile is also going to come with the latest features such as Bluetooth 6.0, Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support, NFC, and all the features. And even though this mobile is has a small form factor, this one is going to come with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. Obviously it's a flagship mobile, right? So these are the features of this mobile. When we talk about the operating system, this mobile is going to come with a Android version 16 out of the box with the One UI 8 or 8.5 at the time of release. So basically these are features of this mobile. And when we talk about the protection, this mobile comes with a pre-applied the Corning Gorilla Glass obviously, and it is also going to come with a IP68 might be, and no IP69 but IP68. This mobile is also going to come with a, when we talk about the box content, this mobile also going to come with a just Type-C to Type-C cable. That's it, like all the Samsung flagship mobiles is coming right now these days, right? So similar. So when the mobile is only available in one color, that is till now there is a ceramic black. So they might release more colors, but till now it is the only thing which is available in the color section. So when we talk about the price, I don't know the exact prices till now, but according to the news till now, that this mobile is going to come with a price tag of like 1,79,999 rupees for the base variant. It's a costly mobile. So that's all about this mobile, and hit the like button and also the subscribe button if you like this video.